Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ClickUp not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. Server or downtime issues. Temporary outages or maintenance can make the platform slow or unavailable. Internet connection problems. Weak or unstable internet can prevent pages from loading or syncing. Browser or app issues. Outdated app, browser, bugs, or corrupted cache can cause errors. Login or account issues. Expired sessions, wrong credentials, or verification problems can block access. High traffic or performance load. Heavy usage can slow down tasks, dashboards, or updates. Integration problems. Connected tools, Slack, Google Drive, etc. may fail and affect functionality. Device limitations. Low RAM, storage, or older devices can cause lag or crashes. If the issue continues, refresh the page, clear cache, update the app, check your internet, or contact ClickUp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.